Hello students, today we'll start with our first session of Civics class with Chapter 2, that is Diversity and Discrimination. I have already provided a AV on 2nd of April on this particular chapter so that you can have a rough idea on this chapter. Well, when we say diversity, what it actually means. So, diversity refers to the ways we all are different from one another. Now, how diverse India is? Do you know that? There are 8 major religions in the world. Every single one is practiced in India. And we have more than 1600 languages that are people's mother tongue, and there are more than 100 dance forms. Lack of tolerance to differences lead to conflict in society, and thus diversity is not always celebrated. Now, next is prejudice. So, what does it mean? So, prejudice means to judge other people negatively and see them as inferior. Many of us are prejudiced about people that they differ from us. Like we think our traits, religions, etc. to be the best, and we automatically presume that those of others are not good. We can be prejudiced about many things, like people's religious belief, the color of their skin, the region they come from, the accent they speak in, the clothes they wear, etc. Often our prejudice about others are so strong that we don't want to form friendships with them. So, this is not healthy trait of our diversity. In prejudice, we often hurt others. So, now let us see what is stereotypes. So, what does it mean? We also tend to create stereotypes, that is, we form one particular image, positive or negative, about something without carefully pondering over it. The stereotype may be with respect to religion, place of origin or residence, race, background, etc. Stereotype stop us from looking at each person as a unique individual with his or her own special qualities and skills that are different from others. A stereotype is a mistaken idea or belief many people have about a thing or group that is based upon their look on the outside, which may be untrue or only partly true. Now, let me give you an example. One of the common stereotypes surrounding race, for example, saying that all blacks are good at sports, is a stereotype because it's grouping the race together to indicate that everyone of that race is a good athlete. Again, there are some common stereotypes of men and women. Men are strong and do all the work. Women aren't as smart as men. Girls are not good at sports, whereas boys are messy and unclean. So these are the few examples of stereotype. So students, I think you got a clear idea about what is stereotype. So, in my next class, I'll start inequality and discrimination of this particular chapter. Here I conclude. Thank you.